Cluttering Up channel, where we live, love and eat. And today guys, I'm going to show you how I pack my fridge. The other day I showed you about my fridge, but it was not packed. Today it is packed, and even more better, it is packed in a way that it can sustain you a very long time. You see? So this fridge of ours, because it's for the food loving couple, venye nimeipanga, I want to explain step by step, so that when you are packing your fridge, you uweze kujua how you are going to pack it. And I want to shout out to all our followers. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing and watching our videos. We love you so much. Thank you very much. So let's start to our video. And here on the top, this one is a freezer. It freezes things at 2 degrees. You can put any degree that you want, like a 2 degrees according to your liking. So why mwenyewe ndio utajua what you want to put here. You can put chicken, you can put meat, you can put anything that you want kulingana na ile diet yako, what you want to eat that diet. So here I'm going to show you step by step. I cooked my githeri. As you can see. This is my githeri. I love githeri. Githeri is my best food. It's typical. It's a typical food for us. So my githeri is I actually cook all of them at one day. Then I pack in this bag. I'll pack in this bag. There's so many things for packing. Kuna hizi bag, kuna hizi containers. So I have my pineapple here. We freeze my pineapple for juices. I usually juice. Sometimes I usually juice. And I have my pineapple here. I'm going to make some juice later in the day. I'm going to enjoy the juice, and maybe I'm going to show you how I make the juice step by step. Yeah. So I have my githeri here. I have my pineapple here. Here I have my chicken wings. Because I need to cook some chicken wings for you guys. And I have some liver iko hapa. I have some beans, yellow beans. You know, so yellow beans you can eat with chapati, you can eat with rice. Yeah, all of them. It is then it's a delicacy that you can enjoy with anything. Even in ugali, you can still enjoy it with ugali. Guys. So these packages, I've packed them in a way as it haribika, unaona nimezifunga airtight, yani haina air yoyote, so it can't yezi haribika. So this food can sustain me even for 1.5 months. Unaona hata siendi mahali popote, niko tu hapa tu na I make my food, and hata mtakuwa mchizo videos. I'll be making those videos. As you can see, I came prepared. Unaona I came prepared. This one was made by yours truly. Boniface Kiliwagu. He's the one behind the camera, so msijali kwa nini muone hapa. Yeye ndiye alimake. You see? So ukitaka, by the way, ukitaka akumekia, you can order. He makes very good, zinaitwaje hizo baby? Aprons, si ndio? How are you seeing them guys? Lazima ningeshow up kidogo zio venye nisupu. Zikaje? Ziko fiti sana. Here I have my matumbo. I love matumbo very much. Matumbo naweza kula na ugali, naweza kula na mokimo, naweza kula na mchele. Anything that I want, it's to my liking. So guys, nimezieka hapa, nimetoa hewa. All of this, the matumbos, and this one nimeweka pia sausages. You know sausages, bila sausage. So nimeweka sausage hapo, and you can also sometimes even I usually put some ice cubes here for my juice. You see, like ice cubes hapo. You see all I've packed. Venye nimezipack vizuri, pole vizuri, in a very organized way. You know, umeziona, it's very sweet. You know,
very organized. Yes.
Very organized. You can put anything here, by the way.
Yeah.
Anything for your liking, as long as it takes for a very long time. Una freeze, you know, no? So how is that my freezer? Is it good, guys? Because can't point.
Maybe you can rate us out of 10.
Yeah.
Give us a comment,
Yeah.
at the comment section. Thank you very much, sweetheart, for the explanation of your freezer. Now tell us something about your...
Yeah, my fridge iko na variety, and like this one, because the compartments, they are big. So I put all my eggs here. My eggs, and sometimes I boil them. Sometimes I natengeneza macho, unaona ile my egg macho. Sometimes I make even salad. You can make salad with egg, and it's very delicious. Mwah! So here on this side it's eggs. You can see all of them. They are packed vizuri. I also bought this one is for putting mustard. I put my mustard there. So ile mustard ya kutengeneza hot dog. Yeah, you can put some hot dog there, some in your smoky, you can put it. Wakati umetengeneza chapati na smoky, you can put some mustard there. So I bought it. And here we have okra. Okra, there are some delicacies that are zinapendwa sana huko ni Nigeria. Wanazipenda sana, zile zinakuwa slime. And you put like this, they are very sweet, these ones, when you cook them. I have some tangerine here. Tangerine. I have some oranges. They're here. Then here, these ones, they are my tomato paste. My tomato paste inafanyanga ikuwe na thick sauce, unaona? Nakuwa na thick sauce wakati I'm cooking my delicacies. And here is some beans. Zile za in the morning when you put some sausages there, some beans. They are here in this compartment. We have mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is for my salads, all of them. We have here soy sauce. Soy sauce, unaweza pika na kwa chicken, unaweza marinate with it. You can marinate with it, you see. Yeah. Here we have some tomato sauce, guys, for chips, nini. I have my milk. My milk, I usually put them in bottles so that it will be easier for me to pour inside the sufuria, you see. And I have some garlic here. I put some vinegar here inside so that zinaweza kaa sana na pia zisikuwe na hiyo color. Some vinegar and some water. So if you want a way of preserving your garlics, this is the way, guys. This is the way to preserve your garlic. Here down I have some dimu. I have some hohos here. Hoho, I have different types. I will show you the other different types. And here is some, is it popino? So popino, I don't know what it's called. It's like a small watermelon. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm planning on doing some videos, the food, because our vlog is all about lifestyle, food, is of vlogging. So I'm going to be doing some videos for you guys to watch. But soon we are going to be seeing step by steps of how I cook my delicacies. Most of my friends, they usually ask me, girl, why don't you show us how you cook your food? They're so delicious. I'm going to show you soon and very soon. That will be the next vlog after this one. Yeah. So let's see on this other side what we have. I make my own
homemade yogurt.
Yeah, homemade yogurt. Yeah, I make my own homemade yogurt. Sometimes when you have a lot of things, you are like, oh, you are overwhelmed doing. Sometimes you can forget. But I like it because in the morning, instead of drinking tea, you can put some yogurt. Ukunywe, usikie vizuri, ufurahie, usikie your day has started very well. So this is my yogurt. I have different flavors. I have pineapple, I have vanilla, and I have strawberry. I have those three. Even if you want some yogurt, you can hook me up. You can check the details there down, and I'm going to make for you some yogurt. And we have some apples. These apples, I make with them some juice. Natengeneza juice, my green juice, my green smoothie. I take it and it helps me a lot in terms of health, everything. So I have my vinegar here also. My vinegar. Kuna vinegar yangu hapa, as you can see, I have my vinegar. And this vinegar inasaidia kupreserve. It has a lot of purposes. Preserve, kuosha counter, kuosha vyombo nini. It's very good because inamaliza germs, unaona? Also good for salad. It's good for salad. I have my mala pia. Mala pia, it's made from home. My mala is here. Nimeziweka kwa hizi containers. You can see when nimezipanga vizuri. You can show them an angle of it. This is a smoothie. These are amala and some maize ya asubuhi. Tulitengeneza tukitengeneza hizo nini githeri. Mimi ni Mkikuyu typical, lazima ningerusha some maize there inside for morning. Okay, let me show you how we preserve our other ingredients. This meshiri, you see, the way they are preserved vizuri. These ones they make very good greens. Very good greens. We have my dania here. This is dania. I put what is it called? Serviette. Or you can do like this. You can put them in a container, then you put a zip bag. We have carrots. We have carrots here. I've put them here in water to preserve them.
You first peel them.
Yeah.
You put water and then put them in a container.
Yeah, I have my watermelon here. I make almost like how many days?
Now it's almost 5 days.
And it's still fresh. So I have my cucumber here. The cucumber. This is how I preserve them. My cucumber, my courgette. This is what I'm obtaining the delicacies. And some of them they are for making juice. Especially these ones are for making juice. And my watermelon is here. And my watermelon is still fresh. I have my capsicums. My watermelon. Nitatengeneza nayo juu. It's very yummy. I have my capsicum. I have my red capsicum, you can see, and my yellow capsicum. This is how I preserve them, guys. So if you want some containers, you can buy them at any shop. Any shop they're usually sold at any shop in town. So I have my carrots, I have my celery ndio hizi, and I have my thorn melons, this ginger, and this turmeric. Turmeric unajua ile yenye inatoka kara orange, kara yellow hapa. So that's how I arrange my fridge, guys, and I love it the way it is. It's very great. And also, if you have any other suggestion of how you put your fridge, everybody has different suggestions. You are welcome to share it with us in the comment section. I'm very grateful for you guys. You usually watch our content. Tunashukuru sana as a food loving couple. We are very grateful. And one day we'll tell you why we changed our name from the Believers to the food loving couple. Yes. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and for our new subscribers, thank you for watching us and also for liking our videos. For our old subscribers, tunashukuru kwa kukaa na sisi all this way mpaka bali tumefika. Thank you. More videos coming.
Thank you guys, man. We love you so much. The food loving couple, the Kilivers family. Yes. Wow.